The following is a fully sponsored...
The Flip Wilson Show. With Flip's guests, Stanley, Myron, Handelman. The Muppets, Big Bird and Oscar of Sesame Street. Loretta Long. Sunday's Child. And special guest star Raymond Burr.
Tell me how to get to Sesame Street.
Listen, I don't know. I'm a stranger here myself. What was the name of that street?
Sesame?
Oh, you mean like on rye bread?
Yeah, that's
Oh, listen, you just go about another half a block and then you cross over.
And that's Sesame Street.
No, but there's a great delicatessen store there.
Never mind, Stanley. We'll find it.
Oh, they got good Kaiser rolls there, too, with the seeds all over. Hey, listen, why don't I come with you? I'm always happy to try out a new place. Thanks a lot.
Can you tell me how to get
Loretta, just the one I'm looking for. You know how to get to Sesame Street, right?
I should hope so.
Oh, fellas, this is Loretta Long.
Oh.
She plays Susan on Sesame Street. She helps run the place.
Oh, hey, that's great. Listen, how's the corned beef?
Oh, Stanley, the name Sesame Street comes from open sesame. You know, opening the mind to the true wonders of life.
Well, to me, corned beef is one of the true wonders of life.
I'm Flip.
Sunday's Child! We're on the way to Sesame Street.
Oh, we've been. You'll love it.
Come on, we'll show you the way.
Great.
Good. Sunny day, sweeping the clouds away. On our way to where the air is sweet.
Hey, I think we're getting close. You feel it?
Yes, I have a good instinct about these things. You can almost smell it in the air.
Yeah, it could be the pastrami.
Hey, wait a minute. Wait a minute now. We haven't gone anywhere. This is still the street we started on.
Well, that's the whole point, Flip. Any street can be Sesame Street.
It's a pleasure to have you here. Phew. What can I do for you?
Oh, a table for 7, please.
I beg your pardon?
Yeah, we're a party of 7. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Say, you count very well.
Oh, thanks a lot.
1, 2, 3, 4,
Hey,
5, 6,
what's going
7.
on here?
Well, Stanley, you see, that's one of the things they teach kids here, how to count. It's not that easy, you know.
No, mathematics is a difficult subject at best. I assume you try to teach in a manner entertaining as well as instructive.
Wowee! What language is that, sir? You speak it beautifully.
Well, thank you. Thank you. It's English. It's, all those years in the courtroom.
Would you like to see one of the ways we teach young people to count?
Yeah.
I never lost a case, you know.
Oh, all right. Today, we're going to learn how to count all the way from 1 to 20.
1 to 20. I had quite a few clients who faced a possible term of 1 to 20. But of course I got them off.
1, 2,
1, 2.
3, 4,
3, 4.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Stanley, Myron, Handelman, Mr. Burr and Flip. I'd like to take you on a counting trip. Sunday's Child, come take Big Bird and we'll have fun aplenty. 'Cause it's time for everyone to count from 1 to 20.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
We're only halfway
16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
Boys and girls, you can earn 20, but you have to know how to count to 20. Hey, Flip, let's count to 20 by twos, okay?
Okay.
2, 4, 6, 8,
6, 8.
10, 12,
10, 12.
14, 16, 18, 20. Can you count any? 1, 2, 3, 4. Don't stop counting, there's still some more. 5, 6, 7, 8. Learn your numbers, it's not too late. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Boys and girls, can you count any? Oh, you better learn. Here we go now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
One of the truly exciting musical performances. Big Bird.
I'm not really that good, Flip. I'm really, pretty good, but
I'm not talking about you.
you're not.
Oh, I was about to introduce Sunday's child.
Oh. No.
I mean, like, these three young ladies can really sing, they dance, and wait till you see them
They
sing.
dance?
Sure, they dance. They taught Leroy to dancing chick and everything he knows.
I love to dance. Boy, I can't fly. But nature made up for it by giving me twinkly feet.
Yeah, I see.
When you invited me on your show, I kind of thought I might have a chance to trip the light fantastic.
You like to trip, do you?
Oh, all the time.
Say no more. Any particular tempo, or do you trip to anything?
Anything.
Maestro! Kick your knees up, step in time. Kick your knees up, step in time. You never need a reason, you never need a rhyme. Kick your knees up, step in time. Spin about and step in time. Spin about and step in time. You never need a reason, you never need a rhyme. Spin about and step in time. Like a birdie, step in time. Clap like a birdie, step in time. You never need a reason, you never need a rhyme. Clap like a bird and step in time.
Mr. Wilson, speak to me. Are you all right?
The dancing's for the birds.
This isn't just any hotel in Orlando, Florida.
And now I'd like you to meet Oscar, one of Sesame Street's leading citizens. Oh, I think I should also mention that he lives in a trash can.
Oscar!
Go away!
He's a little grouchy today.
Oscar! Beat it!
In fact, he's a little bit grouchy every day. You know what I do? Oscar, honey!
You cold? Oh, it's you. Well, I thought you were the Avon lady.
You devil, you.
Well, what do you want? I'm very busy. I'm putting in new floodlights down there.
Floodlights?
Yeah. For the tennis court.
You got a tennis court down there?
dum-dum, you threw the ball right into the swimming pool.
Oh, now, come on, Oscar.
Hey, everybody out of the pool.
That's ridiculous.
No, it isn't. The lifeguard went home an hour ago.
Now, hold it, Oscar. Are you trying to tell me that down there you got floodlights, a tennis court, and a swimming pool?
You'd be surprised what people throw away.
A party?
Hey, listen, when you live in a trash can, you gotta do something for fun.
Boy, that sure is a big crowd.
Yeah, it's a Christmas party.
It's not Christmas.
Shh, not so loud. They'll take back their presents.
Merry Christmas!
Hey, tonight, we got a big honor. We got a big television star visiting our party.
Now, wait a minute. Now, I believed you about the tennis court and the swimming pool and the floodlights and even the Christmas party. But a big television star in a trash can? Don't be ridiculous.
Say, Oscar, we're running out of lemonade. We need you downstairs. Oh, hi, y'all.
Raymond Burr! What are you doing down there?
I'm playing Santa Claus. Flip, a job is a job.
Well, so long, pal. Happy New Year.
Okay, N, B, C.
Where are the rest of the letters?
You mean there are other letters? And now the distinguished motion picture and television actor, Mr. Raymond Burr, will recite the alphabet.
D, E, F, G, H, I for Einstein.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, we proudly present one of the stars of the alphabet, the one and only letter G. Letter G, let's hear it for the letter G. Without a G, we couldn't grin. We couldn't grunt. We couldn't groan. We couldn't glare. We couldn't glide. We couldn't glance. Or giggle. Or even meet a pretty girl.
My favorite letter is M. You know why?
No.
Because M goes with everything. Corned beef, pastrami, salami.
You said M.
That's right, mustard.
We're also happy to have with us tonight, through the courtesy of the Phoenicians, who invented the entire thing, the letter S. Let's hear it for the letter S.
Thank you. Letter S enables us to smile, sigh, snarl, sneer, snort, sob.